Components are the foundation of every React app, yet many developers struggle to explain what makes them special. Let's break it down. A component in React is a reusable, self-contained piece of user interface. Think of them as building blocks. Just like Lego bricks snap together to create complex structures, components combine to build entire applications. Each component encapsulates its own logic, styling, and structure, making your code modular and maintainable. You can use the same button component dozens of times across different pages without rewriting the code. Every component follows a simple contract. It accepts inputs called props and returns JSX that describes what should appear on screen. JSX looks like HTML, but it's actually JavaScript. When React renders your component, it transforms that JSX into actual DOM elements. Props let you customize each instance, like passing different text or colors to the same button component. React has two types of components. Function components are JavaScript functions that return JSX. They're simple, modern, and preferred today. Class components use ES6 classes and extend React.component. They were the standard before React hooks arrived. Both can do the same things, but function components with hooks are now the recommended approach. Components can manage their own state using hooks like useState, making them interactive and dynamic. And here's the power move: components compose. You nest small components inside larger ones to build complex user interfaces from simple, testable pieces. A page component might contain a header, sidebar, and content components, each managing its own concerns. Remember, components are reusable UI building blocks that accept props and return JSX. Master this concept, and you'll unlock the full power of React. Ready to practice more? Let's go. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.